Little flower. Find the difference of animals. Find the fastest animal. Deer, lion, cheetah. Answer is cheetah. Find the slowest animal. Rabbit, tortoise, crocodile. The answer is tortoise. Find the smallest animal. Rat, dog, cat. The answer is rat. Find the most cleanest animal. Cat, pig, rabbit. The answer is pig. Find the grass-eating animal. Fox, lion, deer. The answer is deer. Find the meat-eating animal. Cow, horse, tiger. The answer is tiger. Find the color-changing animal. Chameleon, donkey, crocodile. The answer is chameleon. Find the animal without leg. Dog, snake, koala. The answer is snake. Find the most poisonous animal. Dog, monkey, snake. The answer is snake. Find the long lifespan animal. Cat, tortoise, zebra. The answer is tortoise. Find th animal which makes sound meow. Frog, squirrel, cat. The answer is cat. Find the animal which lives in water. Horse, seahorse, camel. The answer is seahorse. Find the animal which lives in both water and land. Whale, gorilla, crocodile. The answer is crocodile. Find the animal which lives in both water and land. Bear, dog, cat. The answer is dog. Find the animal which lives solitary. Bear, lion, elephant. The answer is bear. Find the animal which has long trunks. Hippopotamus, elephant, cow. The answer is elephant. Find the animal which lives only in fresh water. Blue whale, goldfish, goldfish. The answer is goldfish. Find the animal which carry their babies in pouches. Monkey, deer, kangaroo. The answer is Kangaroo. Find the animal, which one is largest? Elephant. Giraffe. Blue whale. The answer is blue whale. Find the animal, which one is tallest? Elephant. Giraffe. Zebra. The answer is giraffe. Find the animal, which one is strongest? Elephant. Hippopotamus. Lion. The answer is elephant. Find the animal, which one has biggest ear? Elephant. Rabbit. Cow. The answer is elephant. Find the boneless animal. Rat. Cat. Snail. The answer is snail. Find the most poisonous animal. Box jellyfish. Snake. Scorpion. The answer is box jellyfish. Find the most laziest animal. Sloth. Lion. Koala. The answer is sloth. Find the most sleeping animal. Koala. Tiger. Dog. The answer is koala. Find the most dirtiest animal. Ox. Hippopotamus. Monkey. The answer is hippopotamus. Find the most loyal animal. Cat. Dog. Cow. The answer is dog. Find the animal, which eat both plants and meat. Tiger. Bear. Giraffe. The answer is bear. Find the animal, which has most teeth. Shark. Snail. Tiger. The answer is snail. Find the animal, which most smelling capacity. African elephant. Dog. Bear. The answer is African elephant. Find the animal, which most poorest smelling capacity. Dolphin. Dog. Squirrel. The answer is dolphin. Find the animal, which has most poorest memory. Hamster. African elephant. Camel. The answer is hamster. Find the animal, which has more memory. Dolphin. Goat. Cow. The answer is dolphin. Find the animal, which has no head, mouth, eyes, bones, lungs, brain and heart. Sea sponge. Jellyfish. Starfish. The answer is sea sponge. Find the animal, which has 3 hearts. Chimpanzee. Octopus. Cheetah. The answer is octopus. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for Little Flower.